Good evening or naimbag nga rabi and it's Sunday night here and let's learn 4 words. Let's learn how to say. Let's learn how to address an older brother and an older sister in Ilocano and let's learn the word lakay, lakay, and bakit, which means husband, lakay, and bakit, wife. Okie dokie, mag-start na tayo. And we always address our older siblings in Tagalog like kuya for an older brother and ate for an older sister. And in Ilocano, kuya is manong. Manong means kuya or an older brother in Ilocano. Manong. And to address an older sister in Ilocano, you call her manang. Ma-nang. Manang. And that's ate in Tagalog. Manang. Lakay. It is used by wives to address their husbands, but it could also mean matanda na, matanda or an older man. Lakay. Halimbawa or example, kapag nasa bahay kayo ng kaibigan nyong Ilocano or Ilocana and the wife is looking for the husband, she would say, lakay, lakay, ayan mo, or where are you? Lakay, where are you? Lakay, ayan mo. And another one, say for example, you're in a grocery store and you met a friend and this friend didn't know that you got married or didn't know who your husband is, and then you would call your husband and say, this is my husband, or in Ilocano, daytoy ni lakay ko. Daytoy ni lakay ko. Or, ito ang asawa ko. This is my husband. And isa pang halimbawa, say for example, kausap mo yung friend mo and naalala mong ikwento na nakita mo yung crush niya nung high school, and say for example the guy's name is Rico, and naikwento mo sa kanya na nakita mo yung crush niya nung high school and gusto mo sabihin matanda na siya or matanda na, you say lakayon, lakay, yun, lakay, yun, or matanda na, or he looks older, or he age. At ang bakit, bakit, it is used by husbands to address their wives in Ilocano. Also, ginagamit din siya na lambing. Like, pag tinatawag ng mga lalaki yung asawa nila, bakit, or pag hinahanap, bakit, ayan mo, or my wife, where are you? Asawa ko, asan ka? Bakit, where are you? Ayan mo, ayan mo. Okay, so yun ang ating mga halimbawa, and ngayon, let's review our 4 Ilocano words. We have lakay, lakay, which means a husband. And it could also mean an older man or matanda na in Tagalog. Lakay. And we have bakut, bakut, which means a wife or an older woman or matanda na, matanda in Tagalog. And we have manong or an older brother. Manong. And we have manang for an older sister. Manang. Manang. So, yun ang ating Ilocano words ngayong gabi, and more on that next week. Good night!